Fried bananas, a fruit fritter and a popular dessert, served with ice cream or whipped cream, and with syrup. Hi, in this video we will be making fried bananas, a Thai dessert eaten with ice cream. We will be using 60 grams of flour, 2.31 ounces, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, 1.26 ounces. You can buy it from any grocery store. 50 grams of sesame seeds, 1.26 ounces from any grocery store. 60 grams of sugar, 2.31 ounces. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Water, about 80 grams, 2.82 ounces. Frying oil for deep frying, banana, these shouldn't be too ripe, and a little firm. The skin should also be a little green, which will make the banana mix better with the flour. And syrup, you eat the dish with ice cream and syrup. We will start with the mixing. Flour, desiccated coconut. This is to give the dish a crunchy texture. Sesame seeds for the aroma. Sugar. Baking powder. You can mix the ingredients in whichever order you like. Water. Start mixing. Keep mixing. If the mixture is too thick or too dry, just add more water. Don't get the mixture to be too liquid-like. The mixture should look like this. We have added coconut and sesame seeds. Those will give a crunchy texture as well as giving a nice aroma. Now we will be preparing the bananas. Take off the skin. You should use bananas that have similar consistency as this, not too ripe. Cut in 3 parts. Cut those parts in half, the long side. Put the bananas into the mixture. We will let the baking powder inside the mixture to work for about 5 minutes. Mix the pieces well into the mixture. The mixture should be covered the pieces completely. We will fry the pieces later. Preparing the frying oil. Use oil that is suitable for deep frying. Use the amount so that it will cover the bananas. Use the highest level of your stove to heat up the oil. We can lower the heat when we start frying the bananas. The oil should be ready now. You can check it by dripping some of the mixture into the oil. If the mixture fizzles, then the oil should be ready. And we can start frying the bananas. Scoop up a piece. Make sure the mixture still covers the piece. Put it into the oil. Another one. Put all the pieces into the oil. Remember to make sure the mixture covers the pieces. Let the pieces fry in the oil, turning them around occasionally. Lower the heat to a medium, no need to have it at maximum. Keep turning them, otherwise the pieces will get stuck to the cooking pot. Keep the heat medium to low. Keep frying the pieces until they start getting the golden color. The frying process should take about 5 minutes. When the pieces get a golden color, it means they are ready. Another one ready. You can also add more sesame seeds into the mixture to get better aroma and for the look. Use light sesame seeds, not the dark ones. There. Fried bananas can be eaten with ice cream and syrup. Light syrup should be used with the dessert. Pour the syrup over the bananas. There. Leftover frying oil from the dessert shouldn't be thrown away in the sink. You can usually use the same frying oil one more time. Filter out all the leftover particles and let it cool down. Put it into a plastic container. Once you have used the oil twice, you can throw it away in the garbage by putting it inside a soda bottle. If you have a large amount of oil, you should take it to a nearby recycling station that accepts used fat.